Zachariah Ding...
I think that's our Sam speech. Well, say it if you like, but you'll need to hand out dictionaries.
No, I had my own speech. Oh, it took me ages, but I got there. Ain't it were good too, would have brought the roof down. Sorry. You come across someone like Val once in a lifetime because she was a genuine one-off. From her very, very well-known temper tantrums to her ability to just shake the room with pure laughter. And of course, Ruby. She was a one-off in a quieter way.
Sorry, babe. Hey, I love a man who's not afraid to cry.
Good.
Because I'm not through yet.
Bad enough James isn't here. Ross and Peter MIA too.
We need to go find him.
And you know what, actually? No, she was actually very funny herself. She had a great way of doing this deadpan delivery that meant that you didn't know you can take a mick out of...
You tried works.
After you'd left the cafe.
Something like that.
My family didn't talk to me for months. It passes. Well, mostly.
I miss them. And right now, more than anything, I want them here.
Val and Ruby.
Val and Ruby.
Hi, Ruby.
Yeah.
It was lovely.
No, it wasn't. At least it's done. I wish the choir could have come down. That would have saved it.
I am sailing. I am sailing.
Did you do this?
No!
Yes, you
Across the sea. I am sailing. Stormy weather. To bring you. Solo game.